My name is Frida Fornander, and I work as a professional model. As a model, my appearance is extra important, and I have to take care of myself. I'm conscious about what I eat, drink, and I exercise daily. Having a good skincare routine is also an important thing. I use Flores skincare system every morning and evening. Since I travel a lot, Flores Go Kit is perfect for me. Flores Boosting Cleanser peels, cleans, and nourishes my skin. Flores Serum repairs and gives my skin a boost of vitamins. And Flores Day, Night, and Eye Cream nourish my skin with even more nutrition and gives my skin protection. I am young, but I have noticed a big difference in my skin since I started. Especially my skin has become more balanced and radiant. For me, it's obvious to take care of myself, both from the inside and from the outside. That is why I live Kyäni.